Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this carburetor apart now. I mean, everything's moving freely, so that's a good sign. It's not stuck. We'll go ahead and take this apart and clean it out and put a carb kit in it. To take the bottom jet off the carburetor, you'll need a 1/2-inch socket. Kind of feels like it's gunked up, but oh yeah, look at that. Look at the jet right here. It's just got corrosion all over it. See all the green corrosion varnish. And our carb bowl has sediment at the bottom. Oh, and that is stuck. Our little pin is stuck. We're going to see if we can take it out without breaking it. But sometimes these little posts on the carburetor will snap off when you're trying to take out the pin. We're going to try not to break it off. Oh, and the yeah, it's not too bad, but it is pretty dirty, so we do need to clean it up a little bit. We're going to set those parts aside, and we're going to save this little pin because it doesn't come in the carb kit.